Yo, man, so homie Courtney done brought me out here to RPM Motorsports to check out these Cutlass, y'all. Oh, okay. All gold racing. So we are at RPM, and man, what a clean shot. How's it going, brother? Wow. Here we go. Yeah, you ain't playing about the gold.
Everything I'll go.
Like these headlight bells.
Everything.
Real. Oh, I didn't realize it was turbo.
Yeah, it's turbo. It's a turbo car. It's a race car.
And what motor? You know what motor?
It's an LSX.
Stroked out LS.
Yeah. LSX, what, 427 short block.
Okay.
Yeah, big turbo.
Oh yeah, you ain't playing. You ain't playing. No, you ready to drive. How long you been working on the car now?
Man, I've been working on this car about 10 years, man.
10?
Yeah, it was one guy had it. I went and took it from him. Then I took it home, set it home maybe about a week or two. Then we took it down there to Dump Mouse. But he had it forever and ever. I went and took the car from him, and
dang.
Here we come right here.
Okay, RPM got you right.
RPM got me right. A real shot.
My man right there said he did all the suspension. And
oh yeah, he can
yeah, I'm gonna get him in the seat.
He'll lift it up for you, everything.
Okay, it's on the right.
Yeah, every part from the top, brand new. This been 24 karat. Everything on the car is 24 karat gold plate, and we went a little hopper. So it ain't no second guess. It's what it's supposed to be.
Yeah. Dang.
You can open it up.
Love the paint too.
I appreciate House of what was that buddy from Texas?
Oh, he did.
House of Kandy.
Okay, but who be talking and stuff in his video? Okay.
Man, I done had this car painted for a while, bro. Yeah.
Still holding up though.
Yeah, it's still holding up. Got the same man. Everything is damn near done. All you
waiting for now is the interior, huh?
It's interior music. I got the music. I'm just waiting to get it hooked up now.
It be gonna be cold. Real cold. On the spokes. How long you had these?
I done had
you had these for a while.
I done had them since like 2020. I ordered them straight from Gary from Daytons.
Oh wow.
Yeah.
I see you with the shirt.
Yeah, I met strictly with Daytons.
Alright, so my man was telling me how this car came in basically.
Yeah.
With nothing.
So when they dropped the car off to us, it was basically a roller. The engine and transmission were set in it, and he brought everything else in boxes. So we spent about 2 days going through everything that they brought, figured out what we had and what we didn't have. I spent a couple weeks on the car, and then it went to our body shop up the road, and they replaced the floor pans. What else did they fix on it?
They replaced the floor pans. They put the whole car together. They did the top, the
rack.
They put the rack in there. They replaced all the pumps, the motor. We did the whole bottom of the car.
Okay, you had to do the trunk pan too. The trunk floor too.
The trunk too.
Yep. So all this under the Dynamat is brand new. All the floors.
The front right here, I had it. It was the color of the car. He didn't like the way it looked, so he ended up making me a brand new one. So all this right here, is custom built.
Oh,
everything,
nice.
all this custom built.
So floors, and then when it got back to you.
When it got back to me, I started wiring the car. So I talked with Courtney about the wiring harness that was in the car was original, most of it. Someone had tried to wire in some stuff. So I stripped every wire out of this car. Everything is brand new from painless. So every light, every switch, every wire is brand new in the car now.
Nice.
So it runs on a Holley Dominator. Has boost control, nitrous control, all the stuff that it needs to run. All he has to do is hop in and turn the key.
I see the nitrous on that thing now. That's crazy. What turbo and nitrous. Man, who you trying to get?
Yeah, man, like I said, I built it the first time to be a show car. Then when I went and took it to buddy,
yeah,
hey, we making a race car.
Right.
Yeah. So now just where we at now. I don't know what I want to do, man. I got so much money in the car. I don't know if I want to race it or not. This is a billet wing from Ring Brothers.
Wow.
Yeah.
This joker's crazy here. That's crazy.
We don't went all the way through him.
Oh, for real. That's crazy right there. This flap gonna kill it right here.
Yeah. Yeah, he can drop it one.
Yeah, if y'all wanted to pull it outside, were you taking it today or you leaving it?
He go home tomorrow, man.
Okay.
He said he wanted to explain the unit before he come home. So he didn't want the unit to go home on the same day as he explained it.
Okay.
So he gonna explain the unit, then he go home tomorrow.
Oh, cool.
Yeah, I can fire it up and pull it outside.
Okay.
Get it out in the sun.
Yeah, we'll do
Look
that
at
now.
it.
Like today, I been had them, and then now they got old. Then I got some toys too for the car. I got some dads for the car too. And if you look right here, it got everything that's in the car, like the turbo, the nitro, the racing, Daytons, Simpson. Got the Holley EFI, got Forger, got JL, got House of Color, Rain Brothers. They busting out the vault, and then it show them at the race station, ready to get filled up. Right, don't get it from there.
That's hard, bro. Appreciate you. It's hard. That's hard. Yeah, please. Appreciate it.
My son was like, nah, go with the Dayton.
So what about the side view mirrors? Which one you gonna go with?
I'm gonna go with Rain Brothers. They got some. They got a little red chrome with a little red thing on the tab on the side, and I can just get them all.
Okay. QA1. RPM, they did the suspension too?
Yeah, they did the suspension too.
Here go that turbo outlet right here that I'm hearing.
I put all these flows and all types of shit they had to do to my shit.
Yeah, that bit do look good as hell up on there though. New ring. Yeah, full 9-inch. Gotta have a full 9-inch.
Got all the few punches all over there. Wow. This, that.
Here's the light. Now you got to start over.
Right, here we go. See, you can tell me about some of the stuff up on here, I guess. I see you got the QA1 set for the front.
The QA1 stuff is their big wheel racing setup.
Okay.
So it's got tall ball joints and tall coilovers to get the ride height up on the car. So everything up front's QA1. Their coilovers, their control arms, their ball joints, all this stuff.
Okay.
We replaced everything steering, so new box, all new links in and out.
Yeah, everything looks new.
Yep. So the intercooler's tucked up in here. So it's a 5-inch core. It's good for about 1,800 horsepower. So should be plenty.
Right. Got some room to play.
Yep. So turbo 400,
Okay.
manual valve body. It's got a turbo converter in it, trans brake, all that stuff.
Okay.
I put the trans cooler under the car just because it's a lot easier to package. I didn't have to run lines up front around the turbo kit and all that stuff. Fan's computer controlled, so when the trans temp gets to 180 degrees, the fan turns on.
Good to go.
It's a ladder bar car, so it came to us with the ladder bar in it.
Okay.
And the 9-inch.
Okay, so they had a 9-inch.
Yep. When it came here, it did.
Okay.
The only thing I did back here was I put an anti-roll bar in it. So the anti-roll bar sits here above the rear end.
Oh, nice. Don't see them there much.
Nope.
That's cool.
Race car stuff.
Oh, okay. That's why.
Yep. So it's a stock tank sumped.
Oh, okay.
And this is all Holley fuel system. So it's computer controlled, dual stage. So one pump runs all the time at 50%, and then it'll run at 100% at 2 pounds of boost, and then both pumps will come on at 6 pounds of boost. So it's all computer controlled. You don't have to ever worry about it.
That's dope.
It's
Costs
good
a
for
little.
street cars.
Okay, right. It sounds
Because
like
you
it.
don't have to run the fuel pump hard all the time.
Right.
So.
And it's there when you need it.
Mm-hmm.
Awesome. Costs a little money, but hey,
It's
you're
an
right.
expensive fuel system, but it's the
It
best
looks
way.
like it. Look
Best
at
way
this.
to do it.
Look at the lines on that bitch. Yeah, he ain't playing. Yeah, bro. You got your one in the works here, brother.